In the field of scientific exploration, Microsoft Research Connections routinely collaborates on projects that have the ability to change people's lives. Every once in a while, the opportunity exists to do so in ways that are both profound and personal. The AIDS Quilt 2012 interactive digital exhibit is just such a project. First publicly displayed in 1987 as an inspirational way to memorialize friends and loved ones affected by AIDS and HIV, the AIDS Memorial Quilt initially included over 1,900 panels and was larger than a football field. The quilt continued to grow year after year, passing the 10,000 panel benchmark in 1989, then more than doubling to 21,000 panels in 1992. By 1996, the quilt had grown to 40,000 panels and was displayed in its entirety for the last time on the National Mall in Washington, D.C. With over 49,000 panels covering more than 1.3 million square feet, or 23 acres, and weighing in at an estimated 53 tons, the quilt is now too large to be physically displayed in one place. And so, a question emerged. Can we employ technology in order to share this enormous national treasure in its entirety? The concept of a digital version began with Anne Balsamo, a digital humanities specialist at the Annenberg Innovation Lab at the University of Southern California, and also board member of the NAMES Project Foundation, which oversees the quilt. Microsoft Research Connections became involved, donating hardware, software, and the time of a small team of volunteer developers from around the company. Donald Brinkman from Microsoft Research helped broaden the effort to include partners such as Brown University, University of Iowa Digital Studio for Public Humanities, the National Endowment for the Humanities, and many others. The result is several interactive digital exhibits that allow the public to experience the largest work of community-created folk art in the world. Through the use of such Microsoft technologies as Touch, Deep Zoom, ChronoZoom, Azure, and Bing Maps, visitors to the National Mall, and subsequently around the world, are able to view the names memorialized in the quilt and physically explore the images as a single, stitched panorama. We have lifted this quilt to the cloud, but we have not replaced it. No online likeness can replace the millions of hand-sewn stitches, photos, clothing, and other artifacts that comprise this work. While nothing can replace seeing the quilt itself, technology can be used in an unobtrusive way so that the memories contained within can be shared the world over. The AIDS Quilt 2012 interactive exhibits demonstrate how Microsoft technology can transform big data into deep data. By raising awareness, we hope to bring closer the day when we will see the last panel of the quilt finally stitched into place. For more information about the AIDS Quilt, you can visit research.microsoft.com/AIDS Quilt. A comprehensive timeline of the AIDS pandemic and the AIDS Memorial Quilt can be viewed at aidstimeline.org.